The first tool that I chose to use in this exercise was Figma, and by making use of the resources, I made a small mockup up, and this is how it animates the connections. In this case, I have this store, and by clicking the image, I can go to another screen that it uses the back button. Also, I can change from one uh, type to another, and we can see that now we are in hats. I'll go back to shoes. Also, something I found here that I think is pretty uh, great is making the auto components code by selecting a section. This tool gives the HTML code for the components, and also it shows the styling or as CSS, which is pretty amazing. Okay, now the other tool I decided to use was Wizard. In this case, I use a template to um, to edit this productivity app, and by using the uh, magic generation, in this case AI, I generated a extra screen that is the edit profile, and it's fairly easy. The image and all the buttons and UI elements are pretty static, and it has connections as Figma had by creating uh, this preview. We can visualize the animation and the link between screens. In this case, we have the login, the daily progress, back buttons, the user, the edit profile, home button, and we can go back to every every screen, and it's fairly easy. In this case, I couldn't find where I can visualize the code, but it's very intuitive, and I'm sure that somewhere I can uh, get an maybe React or HTML source code for the base, and that's all. I believe that these tools are very useful because you can go straight from an idea to a screen, and by knowing the basis of each programming language, you can understand how it's built, and it can facilitate the building process and also the learning process. I believe that eventually I'm going to try a little bit more of these useful apps, and probably I'm going to try and make a project based on these practices.